Hey guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo Y3s. Now here are the specifications. It comes with 6.51-inch Halo Full View IPS LCD display with HD Plus resolution. It has Helio P35 processor with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. It comes with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage. Powering all this is 5000 mAh battery, and it has single speaker at the bottom. Now before we start, here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two used lights on either side and the battery is at 84%. There's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is also at 26 degrees. Now let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 33 degrees, on the bottom it is 31 degrees, on the back it is 32 to 33 degrees, and on the bottom it is 32 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. Now these are the graphic settings. Balanced graphic and medium frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. The visuals are nice, details are also good, controlling is also good, and I couldn't notice any lag. It's been 16.5 minutes since I'm playing this game. Now let's check the temperature. On the front it is 38 to 39 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees, on the back it is 37 to 38 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees. It's been a total of 17 minutes and the battery came down to 81%. Now this is warm on the front and slightly warm on the back. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 3% of battery, which is nice. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 39 to 40 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees, on the back it is fluctuating from 38 to 40 degrees, and on the bottom it is 35 degrees. Now the phone feels warm, but not hot at all. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 237 photos in those 3 minutes. That's nice. And there is no throttling going on. That's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo Y3s. Now it had nice visuals, good performance, and it felt light in hand. So it was a pretty nice experience. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.